Fish on. This one's pulling. It's doing a 360. Look at that. Here at Port Mansfield, Texas. This one's zinging, guys. First, no, but the third cast. Pulling drag. There he goes. I think I saw the tail of a redfish. Yep. Using live shrimp. And it went under me. Get in there, get in there. All right. Third cast. Here in Port Mansfield, Texas. It is. It's red. It's supposed to be 2020. It's 22 inch red. Okay, got it on the stringer right there, guys. Using the Chinese hook. There, guys, Chinese hook. About the third cast. Got a bite right here. Finally. After an hour. Oh, it's a red. It's a red. Red. cookie. You got a cookie? Buddy. Got him right in there. Man, it was like a good 40-45 minutes since I had got anything right there. Go, buddy. Go, buddy. And I hooked onto something else, guys. What did I hook into? What did I hook into, guys? And finally, I got a little trouty here. Nice. Good little potato chip. Good little potato chip right here, guys. I only need a flounder for a Texas lamb, or a nursery slam, since this one is undersized. Right there, guys. Still got more anglers up ahead, but look at that little. Got something here, guys. Got those boulders over there. Got a trout, guys. Got a trout. Right there. Got a trout. Man. It's been a grind. It's been a grind, guys. And the hook got stuck on the net. Supposed to happen. Let me loosen a little bit of, get a little bit of snack. On the Chinese hook, it'll give you problems. Giving me issues right now. Golly. not even be the size, guys. May not even be the real deal. Man, looks undersized. Getting close to running out of bait. Nope. Right there, guys. Okay. Go, wait. Go, buddy, go, buddy. got another bite, guys. Bite over here. The red. Oh. All right, anglers, it's that time to wrap things up. I'm out of the water. Everything went pretty good. You know, pretty good. I was able to bring if you haven't subscribed, help anglers out, guys. We want to get those numbers up. We want to be able to get you some action. Every once in a while I'll goof up, you know, so a little bit of comedy in there. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Until next time, from Port Mansfield, Anglers 48 signing off.